Wine slow, girl you a put on a fine show. Me glad say me fine yo. Make you stop work, start mine yo. I am front. You see the body there. Me want bring in a me place and lock you way. You see the body there. I feel the lyrical.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Elise London, and for those who do know me and who are very familiar with my channel, a warm welcome back. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Yaki 30 Empress Lace wig from the company called Sensationnel. Some of you guys may recognize this wig, some of you may not. While pushing it a few years back, a bunch of YouTubers firstly reviewed this wig way back, but I am bringing it back again in 2021, and I'm going to be changing the whole game. And this did not get sent to me. I bought this with my own money on Amazon, and I purchased the Yaki 30, like I just said, in the color 1. So now I'm going to show you the cap construction of this wig. So it comes with 2 combs at the top of the dome and 1 at the back with adjustable straps. And they designed this wig to look like a teapot lace wig with a parting down the middle and a little bit of lace at the front to customize your baby hairs if you prefer to do so. So straight out of the back, I could tell that this hair is true to length. It is 30 inches and that's the inches you gon' get. And the lace does come slightly brown and it comes with a lot of shine to it, but that's nothing a little bit of baby powder can't fix. And the texture is very, very silky. And I didn't experience any shedding until I plucked the front of the hairline. Also, this wig is available in other colours such as 1B, the colour 2, T1B/27, which is brown roots and blonde at the bottom. It also comes in the colour ginger and red. I would definitely say that this wig is very, very beginner friendly because this was a very quick and easy install for me. They don't give you much to work with because there's people out there like me that don't want to take ages and ages in front of a mirror install their wig. So I just want to throw on a wig and go. So with this wig, it does come as a middle part. There's not much lace to part it anywhere else. The only solution I suggest is to shift it to the other side if you want to have it as a side part. But in today's video, I'm just going to leave it how it is as a middle part. So I'm going to leave you guys here to watch the rest of this installation, and then I'm going to come back and let you in on everything else. Alright y'all, I'm back. I lost the footage of where I was customizing my baby hairs. I was so upset guys, but it is what it is. But luckily guys, I didn't do anything too different. And to lay my baby hairs down with, I went in with the Eco Styler Olive Oil Professional Styling Gel. But wait, hold up, we ain't finished yet. So to make my part more visible, I'm going to go in with Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C13.5. And I'm also going to go in with my mascara to clean up any areas that I made with the concealer. So if you're eyeing this wig up right now and you're thinking of purchasing it, I gotta warn you guys that when it comes to the plucking stage, the lace is very, very delicate. Like, you gotta be careful when you're plucking because the lace can tear easily and that can create holes in your lace, and y'all do not want that. And with me and my heavy hand, I went in and created multiple holes in the parting and at the front, but you can't really see it in the video. But yeah guys, just be careful. But yeah guys, other than that, I think this wig is fire. Like, it's long, it touches my ass, it's silky straight, it's just banging, and it's affordable as well. Listen, don't get me started, shit. talk about baddie on a budget. I love the feel of this hair as well. It's just so soft. And also in the other reviews that I watched on YouTube of this hair, they did mention that the ends do start to become matted, so that's something that I'm gonna look out for. And if I have any problems in a few months from now, I will come back with an update. If you have any further questions that you would like to ask about the hair, leave it down below in the comment section below, and let's get chatting. This video is coming to an end, guys, so if you enjoyed watching today's video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and hit that post notification bell to always know when I upload. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.